Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tulika here and today I'm here with Valentine's Day lookbook. I have created this classic red look for this year Valentine's Day. If you like this look and wanna create at your own, then please watch this video till the end. But before starting this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's jump into the video. I just washed my face with a gentle cleanser and now I'm gonna apply CeraVe moisturizing cream on my face. I love this moisturizing cream. It's totally a fragrance-free cream and it's a good option for dry skin or combination skin. You can see a lot of breakouts on my face. I don't know why, I have got some allergies all over my body. As a lip balm, I'm gonna use Nivea. Using here MAC Pre Plus Prime as a primer on my face. If you want flawless and long-lasting makeup, don't skip primer. After applying primer, wait for 2 minutes. As a foundation, I'm gonna use MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. I'm in the shade NC40 and this one is my all-time favorite. At first, I'm applying the foundation all over my face with the help of fingertips. Don't forget your neck. And here I'm taking Pack Beauty Blender to blend the foundation. Always be gentle to your skin. It's done. To conceal my face, I'm gonna use MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in the shade medium. And here I'm taking detailer brush from Real Technique. I'm taking this NW35 and conceal the dark spots or acne scars. And now I'm blending the concealer with the help of Beauty Blender. I'm taking Mid Peach color from the same concealer palette and applying on my under eye area. I'm doing this with my fingertips because my under eyes are now really sensitive. I'm using this concealer as my eye primer also and blending the concealer. Now I'm taking NC35 concealer to conceal the spots I have concealed with the NW35 because NW35 is little bit darker to my skin tone and that's why I have used this to conceal my dark spots and acne scars. To get the same tone all over my face, I'm doing this and now I'm concealing wherever I'm feeling that I need to hide something. And now blending all this. And now I'm applying NC30 to highlight my face. To set the foundation and concealer, I'm applying here MAC Pressed Powder. Now I'm taking Maybelline New Year Fashion Brow Brown to set my eyebrow. At first, I'm combing my eyebrows here with the help of this spoolie. And now I'm drawing with the pencil. To set all this, I'm combing here again with the help of the spoolie. Again, I'm taking here NC30 and applying all over lower eyebrow and upper eyebrow to get neat and clean eyebrow shape. And blending this concealer very gently. And my eyebrows are done here. Now I'm taking here NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette to contour my face. And I'm using here Real Technique contour brush to contour my face. And I'm taking this bronzer powder and contouring. With the help of Beauty Blender, I'm blending all this. Now it's time for highlighter and I'm taking here NYX Born to Glow Highlight palette. I'm taking this small fan brush and taking this nude color from this highlight palette. This highlighter is too good. I mean, look at the glow. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'm taking the same highlighter and applying all over my lower brow bone. Now it's time for eye makeup. For eye makeup, I'm using here NYX Ultimate Palette. With this fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm taking here reddish orangey shade. I'm applying this all over my eyelid and I'm doing it in circular motion and windshield motion. I'm blending this to the outer side to give this a winged shape. Don't put lot of pressure, it's your eye, be gentle. Now I'm taking this pencil brush, taking this light brown shade and drawing the crease line, and I'm releasing most of the product to the outer corner of my eyes. Here I am using Lakme 925 Eye Color Coated Desert Rose, taking the golden shade and applying on middle of my eyelid. Now I'm gonna create winged liner. For this I'm taking here NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Eyeliner. Now taking here the brown shade and applying all over my lower lash line with this pencil brush. Now I'm gonna apply NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil Pure Gold on my lower waterline. Now I'm applying L'Oreal Kajal on my upper waterline. It's curling time. I'm using here Maybelline New Year The Colossal Volume Express as a mascara. I'm not going to apply any false eyelashes. To brighten up my under eye, I'm gonna apply NYX Banana Powder a little bit with the help of this contour brush. As a blush, I'm gonna use Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shimmer Brick. With this fluffy brush, I'm applying all over my cheeks and little bit on my nose. It's time for lips. I'm applying the lip liner to the edges of my lips. Today I'm applying Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte 01 to the fullest. And at last, little bit highlighter touch up. Now I'm taking the same highlighter and highlighting the collarbones. It's Valentine's Day and red is the color, so I'm wearing this beautiful red middle length dress. I'm applying NYX DV Finish Setting Spray all over my face and neck. Makeup is done. With this glowy makeup and this beautiful red dress, I'm keeping my jewelry very simple. Golden chain with the heart-shaped pendant and a stone stud and chain bracelet. It's time for hair. I'm applying L'Oreal Paris Elle Extraordinary Oil all over my hair. You can use before shampoo, before drying, before styling, as a finish touch, as an overnight treatment even. This makes your hair super manageable. Combing my hair, taking the little section of my hair and just rolling this. Securing with the bobby pin on back side. Doing the same to the other section. Hiding this bobby pin with my hairs. This is a super cute and super simple hairstyle. And we are good to go. I hope you like this video like my look. You can create this look in this Valentine's Day. So create this look at your own and send me some pictures on Insta. My Insta account link in description below. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Guys, please do subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Happy Valentine's Day.